In this video, you will learn some tips and tricks for running reports. Reports are found in several places in SID. We'll highlight these 3 locations today. The Reports tab shows program-wide reports. It's organized into categories. The Classes Reports tab shows reports about a single class. The Student Summary screen has links to reports about individual students. Let's begin with the Reports tab, where most reports are shown. Click the Reports tab link in the blue band at the top of any SID screen. Here you will find many reports arranged in different categories, such as attendance reports, outcome reports, and so on. These reports are useful for finding information for your entire program. Many can also be run for a specific subsite or classroom. The first report we want to highlight is called All Classes Attendance by Month. This report shows monthly contact hours totals for each class. Many reports share these features: a flexible date range you can adjust as you like, a subsite menu to see only classes associated with the subsite or building, and some reports have a grants filter. Grants are optional keywords that can be used to earmark classes that have the same characteristics. The grants filter on a report allows you to run the report for a group of classes that are tagged with the same keyword. Click the View Report button to run the report. If you update filters, click the View Report button again to apply your changes. A couple more common report items include navigation arrows to move from page to page, and the export option that allows you to save the report in one of the formats listed, such as a PDF or Excel spreadsheet. Another useful report is the Level Gains with Post-Test Rates report. Run this report regularly. It will help you keep an eye on the number of students who have post-tested and have level gains or other measurable skill gains. By default, the Level Gains report shows students with 12 or more attendance hours since the beginning of the program year on July 1st. You can change the number of hours by using the Minimum Attendance Hours filter. This report also has a funding source filter, which can be used to pull up only classes that are tagged as having special financial support. The Desk Audit report is also worth mentioning. This data cleanup report helps you check in on your data. It shows the names of students missing required info, the number of Social Security numbers on file, and classes labeled as Integrated Education and Training, or IET, among other things. Take time to explore the other reports on the Reports tab. If you're looking for information, chances are you'll find a report that can help you. Next, we'll move on to class reports. Teachers can find reports specifically about their class by going to the Reports sub-tab from the class page. Class reports cover attendance, contact lists, assessment charts, and more. These reports are fairly self-explanatory, but here are 2 that you might find especially interesting. First is the student contact list by class. It shows contact details for students enrolled in the class in the report date range. The report has filters to customize whether to show or hide mailing address or secondary phone or email. The second class report of note is the assessment graphs of students in class. It has menus so you can choose a test family, subject, and tests taken after a certain date. It's a good visual showing student testing progress over time. Finally, you can run student-specific reports from the Student Summary page. Near the bottom of the screen, you'll find a variety of reports. We'll highlight a few here. The MFIP report is used to supply monthly attendance information to job counselors and others. If you like, use the filters at the top of the report to pre-fill the form at the bottom of the page. The Attendance Summary report shows student attendance in all classes within a selected date range. Months can be expanded by clicking the plus sign to see on which days of the month hours were earned. The student snapshot shows a summary of a student's class history, testing history, history items, etc. Use the filters to customize details that appear on the page. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.